Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to solve this problem, and it has to do with the construction of orthographic views of this object given the isometric view. As we have here, that figure 1 is an isometric projection of a guided bracket. In the first angle orthographic projection, draw the full size of the question A, front elevation in direction of arrow K, question B, plan, question C, left end elevation, and question D, sectional elevation on PP. So I'm going to divide this video into 4 videos, or this work into 4 videos, so that each one of them we be able to understand each one of them. So I don't want everything to be done at once. So for the front elevation that we are going to draw in direction of arrow K, we are going to draw this surface and deal with this surface and also this surface here. These 3 surfaces with these holes, those are the things that the surfaces that we are going to produce as the front elevation. So alright, so let's start with what we need to do. So for us to get this surface drawn, so we have that distance from here to here is 11, from here to here is 5, that is from here to here is 5, and distance from here to here is 35. So, and then distance from, if I draw a line from here to here to this point here, so distance is 5 millimeters, and then from here down here is 30 millimeters. So that's what we have there. So this is how we are going to take the measurement. So let's start like this. So I'm going to come up like this, and I will draw a horizontal line. So I will draw it all through. Then I'm going to draw, so just, I think maybe, I don't know if this is the middle, but I'll just draw a vertical center line here like this. Okay, so then on this part, so I want to get this line here, which is also this line that we have here, distance from here to here, but I'm going to take it from this middle here. I'm going to take it, so what I mean is that distance from here to here is 32, from here to here is 32, from here to here is 32. So this 32 that we have in the middle, if I divide into 2, that will give us 16. So I will come up here and take a measurement of 16 millimeters. So 16 millimeters to my left side here. So this is 16 millimeters here, and to the right side I will take 16 again. So here this is 16 millimeters. So let's take note of that. So then after this I will take 32 millimeters from this point here. I will take 32 millimeters as we see it in the drawing. This is 32 millimeters, and also from here I will also take 32 millimeters. So this is 32 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point down, and also from this point. So I draw a vertical line from this point down. Okay, so from this point I will also draw a vertical line from here down, and also from here I will draw a vertical line like this. Alright, so with what we've done here, so just be following me the way I'm doing it. So so from here, so we take 11 millimeters down, because there is a line here that we cannot see in the front elevation to be hidden from us. So we take 11 millimeters. There's also a line at this point, which is from here to here is 5 millimeters. So you can't see that line in the front elevation. So, and also there is a line at this point. So after taking 35 from here to here, we have a line here that cannot be seen in the front elevation. So let's take those measurements. So you take 11 millimeters. So 11 millimeters. So let me take it on this side. So we have 11. Okay. So this is 11 millimeters here, like this. Then I will take 5 millimeters again. 5 millimeters as we have in dimensions. Then I will take 35 from here. 35 millimeters. This is 35 millimeters here. Okay, so we have that. So then I will take 5 millimeters down. So 5 millimeters. Okay, so 5 millimeters. I will take 5 millimeters. Okay, then I will take 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. So like this. So those are dimensions that we have in the front elevation. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw it to both sides like this. So then here also I will draw horizontal line like this. So come here also I will draw horizontal line at this point. Then so here I will draw horizontal line, and then here also I will draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so now let's look at the distances that we have taken on the front elevation. So we took 11 millimeters from here to here. That is this line from here to here. Then we took 5 millimeters from here to here. That's what we have from here to here. Then 35 millimeters from here to here. So that is distance that we have from here to here. And 5 millimeters from this, as I said, if I draw a line from here, that is from here down here. So this is 5 millimeters from here to then 30 millimeters from here down, and that's what we have from here to here. So we have taken that distances on this vertical line, and then for the horizontal, so we have taken this 32 from here to here, and this 32 from here to here, and this 32 from here to here. So those are distances that we have taken. So what we need to do now is that, so this line from here down and also from here down is going to give us a thick line. So that means this line will be a thick line, and this line will also be a thick line. So all through, so we make this, we draw this line now. It's a thick, so make it a thick line from here to here, and then we come here. So we also make this a thick line from here to here down, and then all right. So also this line from here to here, it gives us a thick line. Though we have not taken that measurement, and we have that from here to here is 4 millimeters. So let me take that 4 millimeters. So I need to come. So from here, I will take 4 millimeters. So this is 4 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw horizontal line. So all through this. Okay. Alright, so that's the line. So then, so from here, so we are going to make this a thick line from here to here, and this will also be a thick line here. Okay, so with that, so the next thing that we are going to do here, so we make this line a thick line. So from here to here, and also from here to here. Okay, so then this will also be a thick line from here to here. So coming up here, so this line is one of the lines that I said it is hidden from us. So we have to draw it with short dashes line. Okay. Okay, so also, so there is a line at this point that we need to draw with short dashes line. So I'll still show you those lines before, or those points before we end this work. Okay, so this line also, there's a line here that is hidden in the front elevation that we cannot see. So we need to draw it with short dashes line too. Just take your time, and then this line is a thick line, so like this. Alright, so now So let's see. So this line that we have here, this is it. So at this point, so this line is hidden in the front elevation. That's what we have here. Also at this point, there's a line here that is hidden in the front elevation. This is it that we drew with short dashes line. And also at this point we have a line, so that is hidden in the front elevation. That's what we have here now. So this line that we have here, so will be this line. So we are going to make this line a thick line here. So make this line a thick line like this. Now what about this line? This line here. What about this line? So we are told that this line is 12 millimeters from this point here. Is 12 millimeters. So we have to take a measurement of 12 millimeters. So 12 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 12 millimeters. This is 12 millimeters here. Okay, so we are going to draw a horizontal line. So first of all, so draw it like this. Okay, so then, so I will now make it a thick line. Okay. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to put here in the front elevation, so the holes that we have here. So for the holes, we have the distance from here to here. For us to get this center line is 35 millimeters, and for us to get this center line, this vertical center line, is 20 millimeters. So we are going to take a measurement of 35 millimeters from this point here. So we take 35 millimeters down. This is 35 millimeters, and then here we are going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So from this point here, and we come to this side also, we take 20 millimeters. So this is 20. So we are going to draw vertical and horizontal center line. So here we draw vertical center line. So I will need to draw it down because I will need to show the holes also in the plan. So then here also we draw a vertical center line. Okay, so for the horizontal center line, so from here, so I will draw the horizontal center line. So I need to draw it to the left and right side of the front elevation. So because of the end elevation that I'm going to draw. Alright, so now, so I will take my compass and take a measurement of 8 millimeters, as the diameter of the hole is 16. So I will take 8 millimeters here. Okay, so then, so put at this point, so take it easy and draw it. Alright, so I'll just leave it like that. So also, so I need to draw it here. So I believe you can see. So now, so this is the front elevation. This is how the front elevation will look. As simple as this. Let's meet on the construction of the top view or plan. Thank you.